How to use Telegram polls. To use Telegram polls, you must be a group or channel, as they cannot be created in one-to-one private conversation. So launch open Telegram onto your device. If you don't have a group, you just want to tap the plus and then you could go and create new channel or group. Now in my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and launch open the group. So here it is. You just want to make sure to go ahead and select this paperclip icon at the very bottom, and after which you have these poll at the very bottom. You could just go ahead and select it, and then you could just go ahead and add in the options, and simply want to make sure to go ahead and type in the options. You could add many polls as possible, and once you've done that, you just want to make sure to go ahead and add in the options. You could go ahead and add in the options, and you could also go ahead and ask questions and select create. So now this is how the poll is going to be created. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.